Hey, welcome to Cooking with Frankie and Meatball. Today, I'm going to make something very nice and special to go with your Tostitos. Corn salsa. Corn salsa, guys. This is something that you can do for your tacos. You can do it for chicken tacos, barbecue chicken tacos. You can even just dip your Tostitos in it. So let's get started. You want a 15-ounce can of sweet corn. You want to drain it and rinse it and pat it dry with a paper towel, right? So I had mine straining right over here. So I'm just going to dump it in this bowl. Okay? Get yourself some paper towels. Just make sure it's extra. Just run your paper towel through it. You know what I'm saying? Get all that extra that didn't drain off. You know what I'm saying? What you're going to need is 3 nice size Roma tomatoes, plump tomatoes, whatever you want to call them. Okay? Kind of like a pound, but you know, 3 nice size. About a pound. So, how we're going to cut up, I'm going to put this over here. Guys, with this, you want to make sure you got yourself a bowl where you can put all the trash, because this is going to make a lot of trash, because just stick around. So, I got my bowl over here for the basura. So, you want to cut your tomatoes in quarters. Cut in half, cut in halves, boom, quarters, right? Just repeat that. Boom. Boom, nice quarters, right? 4 quarters. What about them Eagles? Doing good, eh? Love it, love it, love it. Alright, so now, this stuff in the tomato, you do not want. You want to take that out. So what you want to do, I'm sure you've seen me do it before. You start over here with your knife at the end. And you just come around and watch this. Boom. See that? Very nice. We'll do it again. Start at the bottom, separate it, go right up, under, and boom. Comes right out. So now what you want to do with these tomatoes, you want to dice them. Okay? It's up to you how big, how small you want them. Remember, it's your world. I'm just living in it, alright? So, you know, just make some little sticks, and then boom, 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 boom. You know what I'm saying? Just remember, you're going to be sticking this on chips. You don't want them too big. You don't want them too small. It's, you know, it's your preference, okay? Me, I like them nice and small. You got all your tomatoes diced, just grab them, throw them right in the bowl. Now you want a half of, don't kill me if I mispronounce it, poblano pepper. We're going to dice this up, but you don't have to put the whole half in there, okay? You put some, you mix it. If you want more, you put more. Again, it's your preference how much pepper you want. So again, to dice, you make sticks. Make sticks out of them. And then boom, 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 boom. Just like the tomatoes, not too big, not too small. Then again, it's up to you, it's your world. I'm just living in it. So I'm putting this whole half in. Game day. Everybody likes them finger foods, right? With that being said, watch your fingers. So after you dice them up, I'm just going to run my knife through them just another little bit. Because for me, I think they're a little too big. See? My preference. It's your world, man. So do what you got to do. So a half of the poblano pepper. Don't kill me if I mispronounce it, okay? We're going to dice up half of this onion, and this is a nice, easy snack to make. Something that, you know, says, oh, wow, look at this, homemade. Good for you, good for you. You impress everybody. Everybody love it, I'm telling you. It looks beautiful with the colors. There's plenty of colors in there, you know, and it tastes great. Let's do what we got to do. So you know how to do this, right? We're gonna just dice that what do we got left, guys? We got the avocado, the limes, and the cilantro. The cilantro, you're gonna use a whole bunch of cilantro. The limes, we're only using the juice, and we're gonna use the whole avocado. My son calls it avocados. Short story long, we're in a supermarket and he kept saying avocado. Because I got the packets and I got a couple of these, gonna make the guacamole, right? So I kept saying avocado. So what's avocado? And then I pick up the package, I see avocado. I said, this kid, avocado. He's got his own little language. He's in his own little world too, you know? And you remember Joshy Franco, who used to do the filming for me. Now he just does my special events. He grew up. Look at that, huh? Nicey nice. Get yourself a large spoon. Pop it up. To the side, huh? Now, get your spoon along the edges. You just want to separate the avocado from the skin. If you got a bigger spoon than this, use a bigger spoon than this. So with this, we're going to make planks. Then we're going to make sticks. Then we're going to make dices. Remember, you don't want one that's too soft if you're going to dice it, because then it's going to just be mush when you're trying to dice. You know what I'm saying? Now you got the avocado cut. Look at the colors, huh? When you look at the colors of the ball spinning around for you, look at that, huh? How cool is that? That's pretty cool looking if you ask me. Just get a whole bunch, right? Make sure you wash it. I wash it, so you know. And I like to pat it down, get all the water off. You know how I do. I do what I do. Look at that. See this? Just got it. Boom. Throw the bottom away. You just need one bunch. Oh, smells so good. Some people say it smells like dish detergent, but it smells so good. And bunch it up and run your knife right through it. Now after you did cut it, just, put it there and just run your knife through it. So we got this, we got that. Now we got our limes. You want juices of 2 limes. So you could squeeze it with your hand, or get one of these scooper duper spoocher moochers, right? Look at that. Look at that. Get all that. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Don't get your finger in it. Even though it's finger food, you don't want to put your fingers in there, right? Look at that. Very nice. All right, let's mix it up. Fold it. Fold it. Fold it. Fold. Oh, yeah. Fold it. Look how beautiful that looks, huh? Does that look beautiful? Beautiful. Not beautiful. Beautiful. So get your salsa, put it in the fridge for 2 hours. Not $2, 2 hours. So I'll see you back in 2 hours when it's time to munch a bunch. People getting ready to come over, but I'm gonna do a little taste. Nobody has to know. I have to taste before I give it to the guys, right? So let's dig in here. I'm telling you that 2 hours really does it. Guys, make sure you put salt to your taste, to your liking, okay? And taste it as you go. So after you chill it, you're like, oh, you know what? I think this needs a little more salt. Boom, you do it. I'm telling you, guys, game day snack. You can put it on your tacos, nachos. Just use it as a regular salsa. Forget about it, guys. If you like what you saw, hit like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that bell notification button. You get notified every time I put out a new video. Guys, check out my videos. I'm pushing 150 videos, guys. Make sure you go back and see some of my early videos. Check out my guy, Philly Rock Radio.